we're doing it live. And one of the PMs just emailed Slee and was like, "You're not pushing the site live now, are you?" No. All right. So I guess this is our cue for the demo. The new homepage. We have some new things here. So one of the things that's important to point out is that now that we've gotten rid of the concept of adding an application, that also lifts the restriction that only people who've added the application for the most part are going to get the feed stories from your application. So as you can see here, the top feed story is from Kathy Chan. It's a book that she reviewed. And at this point, I haven't ever touched the visual bookshelf application. And I can still get this in my feed because of the new concept and the way that we've evolved this. So before I go there, I want to just show a couple of other things about the feed that I think are pretty interesting. There's top stories, which is what you guys have all known as news feed for the last couple of years. And we've also just gone ahead and added a couple of other tabs right here to the homepage, so you can view your status updates right there. The back end of this is all built off of one feed system in Facebook, so it's just filters on the same thing. You can just view photos of a person, and posted items, dark night. Here's a cool one. So one of the cool things that feed does is it just computes all the most interesting things that are happening, because there are literally hundreds or thousands of things happening in your network every day, and we only want to surface the top 20, 30 things. But we decided that it would be cool to add a view that was just a log of all the activity that was happening in your network. And so we're still playing around with this. This is in dev. Okay, so we'll check out this story. We can go to Kathy's profile. Okay, and you can check out her books. I didn't put that wall post there. And notice we could just get here. I haven't touched this application yet, but no ad prompt or anything like that. And the Iliad. I like the Iliad. So you can just click on that, and that's going to take me to the visual bookshelf canvas page in a moment. And I can just write a review. I love Achilles. And there you go. So this pops up, and it asks me what feed story, or wall story I want to put in my feed. And I can just choose between the different sizes, depending on how I want to express this. Or I don't have to publish it. Let's go with short. And just notice that all this is happening without me ever adding the application. It just prompts me for what I need, and it's just completely frictionless. So now, though, because I've interacted with the application, I can just go ahead and go back to my profile. You know, when you have to do one of these demos for yourself, you can really start to sympathize with Bill O'Reilly. And and see, there, because I've interacted with the visual bookshelf application recently, it's right there in my publisher or at the top of my screen. So I can just click there, and there's their publisher interface, and you can just go ahead and write a book review. Let's see, what do we want? Type runner. A powerful story about friendship. And kites! Just go ahead and post that, and there we go. So that's just a really quick demo of how all the pieces of what we've just shown hold together. It's a very frictionless experience and really is optimized for people sharing information with their friends and discovering new things that their friends are doing and new applications that their friends are using.